Here's some testing that we did today with the catapults on my ship. We were on the flight deck. It was insanely windy, but it was super fun though. I had a good time on there. Welcome to the Daily Trade Commentary for Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. Today was a pretty good day trading. I placed a buy limit yesterday evening and it was triggered in today. Well, yeah. When I got off work today, I saw that I was triggered in, but if you look at actual time, I was triggered in around 11 a.m. this morning. So yeah, I was at work, busy, had no reception on the ship at all whatsoever. But however, you know, things still played out pretty nicely. I got triggered in. I was about right here. When I looked at the charts, I was like, oh, cool beans. Um, so yeah, let me go ahead and start from the daily time frame. That is our foundation. So this morning when I did my pre-market analysis, we didn't have much going on. The candlestick was not all of this at all. It was super small. And I wasn't surprised because again, normally I do my pre-market analysis before I leave the hotel. So I normally try to do it before 6 a.m. Between 5:30 and 6 a.m. in the morning is when I try to do my pre-market analysis. And bearing in mind, we still have 3 hours and a half before the New York Stock Exchange even opens up. So price can still develop a lot between 6 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. But anyways, so again, going to today though, I was expecting for price to pretty much follow through with another bullish day. Price, we took out lots of sell-side liquidity, over the past week and a half. And then specifically yesterday, we took out a significant pool of sell-side liquidity while also trading deeper or completely trading within and closing above with a lack of bearish intention within this daily decisional OB as well. So again, going into today's price action, I was expecting price to follow through with higher prices. Now on our time frame, I already did my markups for the day, but I'll just pretty much go through what I was looking for. So we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this would be a lower low, but again, just due to all the higher time frames, the sell side liquidity, with the significant pool of sell side liquidity, the weekly decisional OB you're trading within, the daily decisional OB you're trading within. It's like with all that, I have a framework, so I'm that much more confident in higher prices. And yes, price could have definitely formed just a swing high, and price could continue to trade lower with this swing low being a weak low. However, thankfully, my confluence is aligned pretty nicely. So this morning, price was pretty much just consolidating because again, it was like this. We were like over here pretty much. This morning when I did my pre-market analysis, I pretty much saw all this, and I was like, okay, it's not that much to look at for right now. But again, just knowing me, I have my buy limit still set. So I was expecting. Honestly, I didn't even know what happened today. I was just expecting it to happen sometime in the near future, of course. For price to come back within this extreme, so the origin of this price leg starting here to here, come back into the extreme order block. We got that inducement, buy limit was triggered, and I am targeting 22,450. So it's going to be a swing trade for me. And I've been targeting 22,450 since mid-January, honestly. So I've been targeting all-time highs pretty much for about 2 months now. So I'm hoping that I'm pretty confident that this is the low of the month. And like I said, now that I'm in the trade, I'm just going to be looking to ride price higher. I'm confident that this high, as you can see here, price moved away with strong bullish intent, and right before price took out the week high, we stalled here and we retraced lower. So we had to ask ourselves, why is price doing this? Price is doing this to trick sellers into going short. They're going to put their stops above this high, and then later price is going to take that high with aggression. So that's what I'm looking for. And then if I go to trade Zella, not here. yesterday. If I go to my daily journal for yesterday, I don't even have it. Never mind. I thought it. Okay, hold on. Let me check this. Let me look at my pre-market. Maybe it's on pre-market analysis. Okay, yeah, here it is. I just completely skipped it. So yeah, again, price was pretty much here, and I put that I'm going to be looking for price to retrace lower into the extreme and trade higher. And according to price, we got just that. We trade lower to the extreme, buy limit hit, boom, trade higher. And this is actually, if I just, because I put a screenshot in here as well. So this is MT5 screenshot. So again, saw liquidity, internal shift market structure. Here's that 1 hour extreme OB. Buy limit I had placed here. Stop loss right below the swing low. And then, like I said, my target is 22,450, so you can't see it. And then if you see, this is when I checked my phone after I got off work today. Opened my phone. Stop loss was still above, or stop loss was still above, or not below. My stop loss was still below its original swing point, so it was still here. But since I saw that price has moved away from the entry point with clear bullish intention, that's when I trailed my stop loss below, the newly formed swing low. And then once price breaks this high, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. So I'm really getting into the habit of reducing my risk and paying myself. So that way, worst case scenario, price retraces lower, I get stopped out in profit, because I'm going from original stop loss to here, so it's still below my entry point. However, I'm reducing the risk. And then again, price breaks this high, okay, to break even. So now the trade is risk free. So I should have no emotions attached to this trade, because I'm either gonna win money or I'm gonna lose money completely. But it's not even just that. As price continues to trade higher and make new swing lows, I'm gonna trail my stop loss in profits. Say if price trades higher, if my swing low here and trades higher, I'm putting my stop loss here. Below that newly formed swing low, just to make sure I'm locking in profit. And again, getting into the habit of paying myself. So yeah, we'll see what this trade does. I have high hopes for it. I really do believe, or not. I'm not gonna say I believe. I don't want to put too much. I don't want to impose my will too much on the market. Okay, but I will say that I am confident of longs. I am confident that this low here is not just the low of the week, but also the low of the month. And again, I got in a pretty good area. So this is going to be the low of the month, and price, we do see new all-time highs hopefully within the next month or so, within the next few weeks. Yeah, this would be a killer trade, absolutely killer. That's over 1,000 points. So we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this commentary here, and I will definitely keep everyone updated on the swing position. Again, not expected to play out this week. NFP may drive price higher for sure. But again, it's gonna be over 1,000 point trade, so I don't think it's gonna play out. It's gonna play out within the next few weeks. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's definitely gonna take some time. I think my longest swing trade I've been in was in January of this year, and I was in that trade for 17 days. So, swing trading, it takes time, not just for the entries, but also for things to play out. So it's all about patience. Patience pays. But yeah, I'll keep everyone updated, and then I'll be back tomorrow